Okay. Open the folder. Okay, else if. Now let me go with one more simple program. Now I want to give some speed, where speed is equal to some 78. Now if speed is equal to or speed less than 30, check the condition and give an alert box low speed. Else if speed greater than 30 and speed, both condition need to be satisfied. Less than 60, average speed, alert, average speed. Else if speed greater than 60 or greater than or equal to 60 or greater than 60 and speed less than 90, good speed. Alert, good speed. Now finally else alert, high speed. Now tell me which block will execute which block will execute according to the speed. Speed check.
Good speed.
Yeah. Good speed. Why? Because of we have 78, right? 78 is basically between the 60 and 90. So that is the reason good speed will execute. Two alert boxes need to come now. So execute two alert boxes. Open browser. The first alert box is matched. That is according to the name. And the second alert will come now. Good speed. Two alert boxes I got. Okay, so all about conditions basically. Let me go and check with a nested condition also. Nested condition. Nested underscore condition dot HTML. Let me go and write a script where gender is equal to something like where age equal to or 30. Now check the condition. If gender is male, you have to go and check with the if else. This is gender and this is something. So here gender, and I want to give an alert box. Ready to manage. Okay. Now here alert not ready for marriage. Okay. Now let me go and check. If he is male, I want to check with one more condition. If age greater than 30, Can I give like this? Greater than or equal to 50. Alert first job and manage. Else try for job. Now tell me, how many alert boxes will come to you? How many alert boxes will come to you? Tell me which alert will come first?
2.
Which alert will come first?
Ready to marriage.
Ready to marriage. 30. Greater than or equal to 30. Ready to marriage will come. Then, if it is greater than 30 or greater than or equal to 30, first job, then marriage. First do job, first get job, and do marriage. And else, try for job. Okay. Now, let me give here age is 25. Now tell me.
Ready to marriage and then try for job.
Ready to marriage, then try for job. Good. So, first block automatically executes to you. Then, if first block is executing to you, then it will check for the another block inside. Okay. First of all, this is going to be checking. If this is going to be checked, this block will execute. Okay. Inside this block, we have another condition check. Another condition checking with age. Now, age greater than or equal to 30, then execute this one. Get the job and then marriage. Okay. So here, otherwise, try for job. That's it. Okay. Now let me execute the program. What is the output? We will see. Execute. Ready to marriage. At the same time, try for job. Why try for job? Ready to marriage is okay, but try for job. Why? Because of your age is not getting suited with. Your age is 25. 25 is not getting suited with. If it is greater than or equal to 30, get the job, then marriage. Else, try for job. This is about the nested conditions. Is it clear? Understand? Nested conditions. Now we go for the loops. Loops or while loop. Let me go with the while loop. While is a keyword over there. Now I am writing the program name is while loop dot HTML. See, in the notes, I already explained about the loops yesterday, but one more time I will tell now. Loops are basically iterations. Loops are basically iterations. See, why basically loop is required for? Whenever you want to execute a values from array or a list. For example, there is a, okay, let me explain the loop one more time. Yeah, loops are basically iterations. See, what are the iteration is? Suppose, for example, there is a array we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to pick up all the values from this array. I want to list out all the values from this array. I want to pick up 1. I want to pick up 2. I want to pick up 3. I want to pick up 4. I want to pick up 5 only. When the value is moving to 6, automatically loop is terminating to you. Automatically loop is terminating to you. So the session is going end in 1 minute. Please join one more time. I'm telling to everyone.
Okay, sir.
The session is going to be ending soon. Within 1 minute, please join one more time. Now, okay. Loops are basically iterations. Whenever you have a list of values, what my requirement is, I need to iterate it. Okay. See, a real world example, how I can tell. For example, from Amazon. In Amazon, a category called men fashion. Okay. Men fashion is there. In database, in men fashion related, 1,000 products are there or 10,000 products are there. Okay. So when user logging with Amazon, when user logging with Amazon, and he clicked on man category and fashion related button, then how many products will come on top of the user interface? How many products will come on top of user interface? 10,000 products will come now. 10,000 products will display. 10,000 products will display. Okay, how these 10,000 products are going to be displaying? Product 1, product 2, product 3, and so on. 1,000 products, 10,000 products you can able to see on screen. Yes or no? On screen. See, whenever you want to show a product or list of values, then compulsory we need to use a loops. Then compulsory we need to use any programming language you take. Any programming language you take. Okay, so one more simple example I will take. There is a basket. In basket, we have